Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary periods. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 216 up to part 10. Dear friends, this is part 11. These questions are very useful and important for competitive exam. तो इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यदि आपको पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 217। Tony Curtis edited an anthology of poetry and prose with Cian James in 1991. What is that anthology called? These four options are here. Option A, Love from Wales. Option B, Bog Down a Welsh Wind. Option C, Letting Go. And option D, Preparations. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Love for Wales. Love for Wales. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 218. Which of the following is not the work of Tony Curtis? Which of the following is not the work of Tony Curtis? Option A, album 1974. Option B, selected poems 1986. Option C, collected poems 1956. And option D, the art of Seamus Henry 1982. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, collected poem 1956 is not the work of Tony Curtis. So option C is the correct answer. Now question number 219. Stone and Flower, The Hollow Hill and The Oracle in the Heart are the famous works of. Again, Stone and Flowers, The Hollow Hill and The Oracle in the Heart are the famous work of. Option A, Tony Curtis. Option B, Kathleen Rene. Option C, David Lowes. And option D, John Wayne. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, Kathleen Rene. Now question number 220. Elizabeth Bowen took as her theme the loss of innocence in the face of shallow sophistications and the sparkling glamour of metropolitan values in her most Jamaican novel named. Option A, The Death of the Heart. Option B, The Little Girls. Option C, The Last September. And option D, Demon Lover. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, The Death of the Heart. So option A is the correct answer. Now question number 221. Stella Rodney and Robert Calvé appear as lovers in Elizabeth Bowen's. Option A, Look at Those Roses. Option B, The Last September. Option C, The Death of the Heart. And option D, Heat of the Day. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, Heat of the Day is the correct answer. Stella Rodney and Robert Calvé appear as lovers in the Elizabeth Bowen's Heat of the Day. Now question number 222. Name the writer of Live Like Pigs. Live Like Pigs, a play about the resettlement of gypsies in a housing estate which explores antisocial behavior. Option A, Arnold Basker. Option B, Joe Orton. Option C, Agatha Christie. And option D, John Arden. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Agatha Christie is the correct answer. Option C. Option 200, sorry, option D. This is not option D, John Arden. John Arden The writer of Live Like Pigs, a play about the resettlement of gypsies in a housing estate, which explores antisocial behavior. So option D, John Arden, is the correct answer. Now question number 223. 223. Who among the following who among the following could describe who among the following could describe the scenes of crime with graphic reality? Option A, Muriel Spark. Option B, Elizabeth Bowen. Option C, Agatha Christie. And option C, Harold Pinter. So this one is option C, Agatha Christie is the correct answer. Now question number 224. In which novel of Agatha Christie died her famous character Belgian Hercule Poirot first appear? Option A, The Mysterious Affair at Styles. Option B, Murder in Mesopotamia. Option C, Murder of the Vicarage. Option D, Death. Appointment with Death. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, The Mysterious Affair at Styles. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 225. Which of the following romantic novel did Agatha Christie write under pen name Mary Basma Court? Which of the following romantic novel did Agatha Christie write under the pen name Mary Basma Court? Option A, The Mysterious Affair at Style. Option B, Giant's Braid. Option C, Star Over Bethlehem. And option D, Come Tell Me How You Live. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, Giant's Bread is the correct answer. Option B. Now question number 226. The second famous character Marple. Miss Marple appeared first of all in Agatha Christie. Option A, Death on the Nile. Option B, Absent in the Spring. Option C, Unfinished Portrait. And option D, The Murder of the Vicarage. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D, The Murder of the Vicarage is the correct answer. Now, these questions are very useful and important for competitive exams. So dear friend, listen these questions again and again. Now question number 227. Agatha Christie wrote two novels by prefixing her second husband's name Mallow and one of them is Come. Tell Me How You Live. Identify the second one. Again, listen the question. Agatha Christie wrote two novels by prefixing her second husband's name Malavan. One of them is Come. Tell Me How You Live. And identify the second one. Option A, Death on the Nile. Option B, The Rose and the New Trees. Option C, Star Over Bethlehem. And option D, The Daughter's Daughter. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Option C, Star Over Bethlehem. Star Over Bethlehem. Bethlehem. Option C is the correct answer. So yes, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 228. Which play of Agatha Christie is being continuously produced in London since 1952? Option A, Live Like Pigs. Option B, The Mouse Trap. Option C, The Rat Trap. Option D, Unfinished Portrait. Unfinished Portrait. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is The Mouse Trap. The Mouse Trap. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 229. 229. Which of the following is a play by Agatha Christie? Which of the following is a play by Agatha Christie? Option A. Murder in Mesopotamia. Option B. Appointment with Death. Option C. Absent in the Spring. And option D. Witness for the prosecution. Witness for the prosecution. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. Witness for the prosecution. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 230. Campbell was an African poet who participated actively in. Campbell was an African poet who participated actively in. Option A. Second World War. Option B. Spanish Civil War. Option C. The Battle in Rhodesia. And option D. French Civil War. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Spanish Civil War. Option B is the correct answer. Option B, Spanish Civil War. Now question number 231. Birds like flowering rifle, Georgiad and the flaming terrapin were produced by option A. Roy Campbell, option B. Roy Fuller, option C. Agatha Christie, and option D. William Empson. William Empson. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. Roy Campbell. Roy Campbell is the correct answer. Now, question number 232. Question number 232. Which modern dramatist got a wide on acclaim on account of his mysterious plays? Again, question: which modern dramatist got a wide acclaim on the account of his mysterious plays? Option A. H.U.B. Cunningham, option B. Roy Fuller, option C. T.S. Eliot, and option D. Ronald Duncan. Ronald Duncan. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. Ronald Duncan. Option D is the correct answer of 232. Now question number 233. 233. The famous playwright Donald Duncan wrote in 1943. In 1943. The famous playwright Donald Duncan wrote in 1943. Option A. Our Lady Tumbler. Option B. Don Juan. Option C. The Way to the Tomb. And option D. The Death of Satan. The Death of Satan. So which one is the correct answer? Option C. The Way to the Tomb. The Way to the Tomb. Option C is the correct answer. The famous playwright Donald Duncan wrote in 1943 The Way to the Tomb. Now question number 234. Which of the following is a work of Donald Duncan? Which of the following is a work of Donald Duncan? Option A. Possession. Option B. Starton. Option C. The Unburied. And option D. Poor Things. Poor Things. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Stratum is the Stratum. Stratum is the correct answer. Option B. Now question number 235. William Empson. William Empson was a famous essayist of the contemporary period who wrote The Gathering Storm in 1935, option B 1938, option C 1941, and option D 1945. So which one is the correct answer? 1935, option A is the correct answer. And dear friend, this is the second last question of this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Pankaj Institute of English. The analytical prose, like the 7 types of ambiguities. 7 types of ambiguity and the structure of complex words are written by option A. Ronald Duncan, option B. Peter Ackroyd, option C. Geoffrey Hills, and option D. William Empson. Again listen the question. The analytical prose, like the 7 types of ambiguities and the structure of complex words, are written by. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. William Emerson. William Emerson is the correct answer. Now question number 237. Poems 1932 and A Lost Season 1942 were the first were the first two poetry works of an excellent Freudian English poet. English poet. Option A Samuel Beckett, option B Ted Hughes, option C Roy Fuller, and option D Joe Arton. Joe Arton. So option C Roy Fuller is the correct answer. So this is the 11th part of video. Thank you for watching, guys.